on a typical year, we do about 150 to 200 investor meetings. That is more one-on-one meetings where myself, the CFO, the CEO meet the investors in a meeting. We also participate in seminars, but then we also have one day each year that is the Capital Markets Day. And that is the one opportunity for the investors to meet most of the management team and to get the latest update on all the financials and strategy that we can bring to the market.
Our position in this industry is very solid. We have very strong barriers to entry. We have leading brands in almost every market we operate in. We have a very large install base, and remember, a large portion of what we do is recurring revenue coming out of this large install base.
Well, of course, they're interested in how we can grow the business, what drives organic growth, how we can take the margin up, if we can take out cost and really streamline the business in a better way, but also in new products, new markets, and the general development of the company.
I think there's very good presentations. I think it's a good format to start with the senior management laying out the bigger picture and then digging into some more sort of detailed topics.
I think it's one thing getting down to, let's say, numbers and valuations of companies, but if you can't explain why you expect a company to generate a future earnings growth without reference to what the company is doing from a product point of view, not only are you not going to be getting to the right answer, but you're not going to get the attention of investors.
Cargo and FlexiForce have been, strategically speaking, extremely important steps. Both Crawford and FlexiForce are giving us a new growth platform, in the same way as Visa became a growth platform for us.
You are reinforcing my view that you know where you're going. We just had a presentation from Juan, your entrance systems manager, and it was very clear. He knows what needs to be done. He sees the opportunities. He can describe the opportunities of the business, both in terms of growth and profitability. So I think more of the same is what I will take with me from here.
Very important now is to show that we are actually a company that has a lot of new innovations coming out to the market. As you can see here, we have a smaller product show, and coming from the mechanical lock history into the more electromechanical sphere and more electromechanical products is important, and I think that's something that they will bring from this day.
First of all, it's a technology shift. And it has already happened on the commercial side that electronics has become a normal part of locking. Now we want to do it on the residential segment as well.
We are going to see a movement, as we have seen for years and years, from locks, physical mechanical keys, to cards. We are going to see a movement from cards over to smartphones and other tokens, and we need to follow that with our business as well. So this is going to be the business, the SIO package, this very, very highly secure digital package of information that is passing through our products, and thus providing our partners a way to continue their business. That's also providing our end users to continue the constant development of the security without being physically using cards in the future, but smartphones.
I think the market perception of ASSA ABLOY is it's a locks company. I don't think many people realize that it's actually more of a security solutions or kind of entrance and access solutions company. And I think this capital markets actually helps to understand that a bit better.
I think it's just how much and how fast the technology is changing and how well positioned is ASSA ABLOY to exploit that opportunity.
Before the acquisitions of Activklentity and LaserCard, HID would typically only provide a small portion of those type of opportunities. So HID would provide the inlays, essentially, which is an antenna that goes inside of the plastic card. Post the acquisition, now we can reach a much bigger part of that opportunity by leveraging our own products and services. So looking at all that in its totality, we can now reach a 61% part of those kind of opportunities. And these are big opportunities. We're talking, tens of millions of dollars. And we do it with our own products. So it's not, a pure consulting project. It's actually product deployments. And those products obviously come with the support and maintenance that big customers would expect.
Focus on innovation is something that I now have a lot more ammunition to present to investors and to talk about. I think I've got a much better understanding of HID now, given the business splits, given the market positioning details, the competitors and customers details across the business. And I think on the cost-cutting story, it's given further assurance that the targets that you have are conservative.
And a lot of that has shifted. The landscape has changed. Everything has gone and is going and has gone more towards IP kind of solutions, IP-based solutions.
I think it improves the clarity of the message that the company wants to convey to the investors as well as to the analyst community. So it clarifies and helps us a lot in delivering your message to the stock market, and also helps us investors to understand the value of ASSA ABLOY.